You ready?
I'm ready. No. Hi everyone, it's Luke here and welcome back to another video. Today, once again, I'm joined not only by my Golf R, but also my good friend Joel.
Hey.
Now in today's video, it's going to be a little bit of a nerve-wracking one, for me at least, as I'm going to be taking it to the passenger seat for the first time in my car, and ultimately let this guy at the wheel. So hopefully this doesn't end too badly, but either way, it should be quite a lot of fun, well, for you at least. So, before I give Joel the key, I'd actually like to speak very briefly about something which I think we spoke about in the video we just filmed for your channel.
Sure.
And that's actually kind of how we got to know each other, or how I found your YouTube channel, really.
Yeah.
About a year ago, when I was, funny enough, on the market, well, not seriously on the market, but on the market for a Golf R, I stumbled across a video where basically a friend of yours bought a Golf R, and that was the first video I watched on your channel, and that's kind of ultimately how
we're now here.
Yeah.
Well, that friend of mine was called Luke as well.
That's very, very strange. Very, very strange. But anyway, before you crash my car, I think I'd just like to have one last lovely acceleration.
Always feels good for the passenger seat.
Right, here we go. Let's pull over. Mr. Joel. Please don't crash my car.
I will try.
You'll try, will you?
Turn your world upside and down, and I don't feel like I wanna wear the crown.
So today we've actually filmed a video on your channel as well, where you ultimately get behind the wheel again of the car and kind of get your first impressions. But in this video, I think kind of, because we filmed that video before, let's be honest, yeah, you're a bit confident with the car now. You know how to drive it. So I think we hope anyway. So I think we're gonna have a bit of fun, shall we?
Yeah, sounds good to me.
Kind of exploit that 310 brake.
Yes.
And see what we can do, because I've never experienced it from the passenger seat, and obviously I'm sure you guys will be aware. It's very different to experience a car when you're driving than when you're in the passenger seat, because you don't know. Yeah.
Let's have some fun.
Let's do that.
Can't help but feeling so low. Without your love.
Ooh, this is weird.
I love those DSG
It
farts.
does kick you back.
It's
Really
fast.
kicks you back.
It is really fast.
It is.
It feels it as well. So, how do you feel then? Someone else driving your car?
It's strange. I won't deny. I'm enjoying it. It's cool. I like it.
I really like the gearbox.
It is good. It's a 7-speed dual clutch DSG. The DSG is renowned to be good on this.
It's very good.
It's quick.
It just needs some big
I know, yes.
carbon extenders.
I need some big carbon things. Up to 6.5. And we're away! I have to say, you haven't crashed into a tree, and we've gone past many.
I think we've
so
done
far.
almost a mile now, and I still haven't gone off the road. So we are doing pretty. I mean, I have to say, this is incredibly easy to drive, because I drive. If you guys haven't seen my channel, I'm just gonna do a little bit of a plug.
Yeah, by all means.
If you haven't seen my channel, I daily drive a 3-litre Z4, an E85.
It's stupidly loud.
It is stupidly loud. You'll have to drive that in a bit.
Yes,
but,
do that.
Yeah, it's the traction's not very good. It's obviously rear wheel drive, and in this sort of weather, I mean, yesterday even I almost binned it, and it's you know, it's I wasn't being that stupid, but this is incredibly easy to drive. I've just floored it. I mean, on a damp road with leaves,
With
from
300
like
brake.
I've planted the throttle, 300 brake, not a hesitation.
It's a proper weapon.
What's this, Luke? Go on. What is it?
It looks like a very sharp corner to me.
No. I would say that looks like a dead straight. I can see a long way
Go
down.
on. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I love those DSG parts.
Brakes are good.
Yeah, well, that's always nice, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Go on, whack it around some corners.
See, I see my car. I wouldn't go this fast because I know.
It goes, doesn't it?
It's good, yeah.
It goes.
Yeah, it's weird. Because yeah, my car around that corner where I've been in the hedge.
Yeah, you would have been in the nearest ditch.
Nearest ditch.
Right then, I think
Big straight down.
I've gained enough trust. So if you put, it's going to be a bit weird because I'm going to have to kind of walk you through it. So put your left foot on the brake.
Okay.
Left foot braking.
Weird.
It's in sport, so that's fine.
Of course.
We can't do it in manual. I think you can. When I uploaded my launch control video, a lot of people said that you can't, but I just prefer it in sport.
Yeah, it's better
so
not to because it knows exactly when to change.
You've got to press the traction control once, so ESC Sport, and then what you should be able to do now is, now that you've got your left foot planted on the brake, plant your
there.
right foot on the accelerator, and then you'll hear that lovely noise, and then you just lift your brake,
And it goes.
and it goes.
Okay. You ready?
No.
Oh gosh.
It goes. It probably goes.
That is unbelievable.
It actually spun a bit then.
It did a
Which
little
I was
bit, didn't it?
surprised. I was surprised about that.
Wow, I'm actually quite surprised by that because I've obviously just been flooring it, as you see.
Yeah,
but
it's a big difference between flooring it and launching it.
My face, I can feel my face.
It's mine's still back there. So there we are. The car is in one piece, thank God. Enjoy that.
That was brilliant. And I'm just going to give you these back before I
Thank you.
do anything stupid.
Anyway, that was wicked fun. It was actually not that scary in the passenger seat of that, for once. I was expecting far worse, but a huge thank you to Joel for coming on down. It's been super fun filming today. We also made a video over on his channel, so I'll leave his link at the end of the video for you guys to go check it out. It's been a super fun day. So make sure you head over to his channel and give him some support. But anyway, that is it from me today. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, please do make sure you leave a like and make sure you subscribe for all the adventures still to come.